Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can make an aggressive shake effects to your videos on CapCut PC. So you need to add your clips to CapCut and then go to the beginning or to the, okay, I'm going to go in here, the beginning of the first clip, and then go to animation in and select the shake 1 animation. Okay, this one, and adjust it for 0.2 seconds. Okay, and then after that, go to the video effects, opening and closing, and select the slanted blur. Where is it? Okay, this one. And then adjust the blur into 100. Then the rotate 75. Okay. Then make it as small as possible. Okay, I've already made it small, and then copy the effect 2 times and put it under the first one like this. Okay, and then after that, copy it again and put it after the first one in here, but set the blur into 50 and the rotate 25. Okay, copy it again twice and put it under the first one. Okay, so it will go like that. And then you are done with the aggressive shake. If you have more than 2 clips, you can repeat the steps to have more aggressive effects. So it will go like this. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks below.